Hi friends, welcome to our channel Global Health Helpline. Today we will learn about a homeopathic medicine Calcarea Flourica from the book, Lectures on Homeopathic Meteria Medica by James Tyler Kent. Please subscribe our channel to be connected with us. Please give a like to this video. Let's begin. Calcarea Flourica. This chemical union of lime and fluoric acid gives us a remedy with a new nature and properties. However conversant one may be with either or both of these elements, he could not predict the curative powers held in this double remedy. I refer to its ability to cure indurated infiltrations of glands, cellular tissues and bony formations. A nodule in the course of a tendon and exostosis, a stony barred gland, bony infiltration in the periosteum, rice bodies in cartilages have been cured by this remedy. Wonderful to tell, when their W. As a paucity of symptoms. It will cure of course when symptoms agree, but it needs proving in order that individualization may be often possible. A recurrent fibroid in the hollow of the knee was removed once by the knife but returned, and grew to the size of a fist. The leg was drawn up to 45 degrees, and the knee became immovable. This wonderful remedy was prescribed on the symptoms of the case and the hardness of the tumor. The tumor gradually dwindled, the limb became normal and as good as ever. This patient has since born a healthy child, is still perfectly free from the trouble. It is now 10 years since she was cured. The patient is sensitive to cold, to drafts, to changes in the weather, and to damp weather. The symptoms are ameliorated by heat and by warm applications. The symptoms are worse during rest. This is a useful remedy in gout, with copious pale urine and diarrhea. The patient is sad and miserable. This remedy has cured a fluctuating tumor on the cranium of infants known as sepalematoma. Blur before the eyes after exerting the vision. Cataract. It cures ulceration of the cornea if the edges are hard. Also hard, small spots and conjunctivitis. It has cured adenoids and thick, yellowish-green discharge from the nose. Offensive catarrh of long standing. Scanty enamel of the teeth. Pain, ulceration and granulation of the throat, worse from cold, and better from warm drinks. Pain worse at night. Large indurated tonsils will be cured after burrito carb, has failed. Pain in the liver at night, worse lying on the painful side, better from motion. Cutting pains in the liver, better walking. Diarrhea in gouty subjects. Itching of anus and hemorrhoids, painful and hard bleeding. Fissure of anus. Constipation. Copious watery urine. Strong smelling urine. Urine causes smarting when passing. Indurated testes. Nodular testes. Varicose veins of the vulva. Uterine fibroid. Hard nodules in the mammae. Dryness and tickling in the larynx. Desire to clear the vocal cords. Hoarseness after reading aloud. Hacking cough after eating, and in cold air, from tickling in the larynx. Spasmodic cough. It cured an exostosis at the angle of the 8th rib. It cured a lumbago, worse during rest, and better from heat, after Ruchad failed. Pain in back, extending to the sacrum. Indurated cervical glands. Vivid dreams, and unrefreshing sleep, jumps out of bed in a dream. It is similar to silica in suppuration. Thanks for watching full video. Please subscribe our channel. Click on the links for more videos.